सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Digividya. Today we are going to learn how to make a web banner for a tour and travel company. So that's why I open Illustrator. This is Illustrator interface and I go to file and create a new artboard. I want to make a web banner size Google banner. So my size will be 720 pixels into 300 pixels. Then I press enter. So here is my artboard size. Today I'm going to make a web banner for a client in Kolkata. So first thing I'll do is I want to make a guideline for them. So I drag the guideline here and my x-axis will be 15 pixels and my x-axis will be 705 pixels. So that's mean 15 pixels this side, 15 pixels that side, and I drag a guideline from top and my y-axis will be 15 pixels and my y-axis will be 285 pixels, right? My height is 300 pixels and my width is 720 pixels. Then I press Ctrl A for select all and I want to lock all these guidelines. Easy. So here I want to make a banner, tour and travel banner. I mean add all the objects, right? Make sure I make a web travel banner for Go Kolkata. So here I need some images. I download this image from internet. This is monuments of Kolkata. It's called Victoria Memorial, and I arrange and send it back. Okay guys, then I import another image and select the shape and right click, arrange and bring into front. Okay, so then I want to place another image, right? I think this image is beautiful. Yes, I use this image. I select this image and copy paste the shapes and right click on the shape, arrange, bring into front and adjust the image according to my shape. So here I go and I select these two object I shapes and go to object, clip mask, make. It's so easy to make, right? So then what I do, I just want to blend this image with my background layer, I mean blue one. So that's why I go to transparency and I need overlay for that. Yes, it's easy. And go to opacity and just decrease the opacity a little bit. Yeah, this time. Then I want to put some content. So for content, my client give me some content like that, right? I write a text and change the font into Moonbright and I place this content here and increase the size. It's easy, and change the color into white color. Fine, let's go Kolkata and change the font face into Rolo and I just want to leading the lines, so that's why I go to character and I want to give leading into 71, 72. I think 80 will be better. Yes, and I select the like and give it to black, not black, bold. Okay, and I select all this and align paragraph align in center and I need this color will be white. Explore like a local. So I just increase the size of local and I want to give it to some handwriting type of text. It's easy, and I want to change this font into yellow. Fine, I just select all of these and drag this to here. Okay, and I press Ctrl G for group. I group all of these and I select Let's Kolkata and go to alignment palette and I horizontal align. Fine, then what I do, I just make a box here and go to text tool and just click here. I want to just select the book and the rectangle and go to alignment. I just select the align to selection and horizontal align them, vertical align them, right, and just scale down the size like this. Okay, so then what I need some social media icons. I just group them all, and then I need some social network icons. I import some social media icons here, then I can drag this icon right, and I want to change position into top. It means follow us in Twitter, Instagram, right? So after making this, I want to name the company Digividya.com. So here I go to Roboto font. I use Roboto font. I need Roboto black, and Jibo.com will be my regular font, right? I need this font will be yellow color, and Ghumi means घूमने जाना. So what I do, I just make a circle. I just make a circle here. I make this circle because the world is in circle format, so that's why I use this circle for Ghume Jibo. Fine, I just change the color of Bhumi into blue color. I want to write a tagline, and I need a Roboto thin. It's okay, and I just change the color into white color, and I select all these logos and press Ctrl G for group it. I want to place this logo here, make sure the alignment is perfect. So the next step is I want to make some design. So I go to pen tool, right, I make a path here, and I change the color into yellow color. I mean the path color is, and increase the size into 2, and I make another. Then basically I make 2 design, and I select the stroke. I can go to stroke palette and I make dash line, 10 dash, and here is the arrow ahead. I need an arrow, and my back is like this, and here also I do the same thing. So here is my web banner design for a tour and travel company. If you guys like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So thanks for watching. Thank you very much.